It's a strange one. I think my parents and certainly my grandparents, no question, thought like Jewish people and behaved like Jewish people without being, I'm culturally Jewish rather than religiously Jewish. I mean, I don't know quite where the dividing line is or what the separation means. To some people, you can't separate the two, but certainly to my family, we were obviously Jewish. And my father has a great collection of Jewish books, and he was particularly interested in Jewish classical music, but without stating, this is because I'm a Jew. So it was always there. There was always a tam, always a flavour, but without being dogmatic or any kind of thou shalt not. You know, it was always a very open house. Very, I'd say they were lefties rather than. You know, my father was politicised to the left, probably towards anarchy rather than towards any party politics, but certainly left-wing and certainly deeply, deeply humanist. And I think that aspect of Judaism came into his thinking, that one must always love and support people who need it. You know, one must always have understanding and compassion. So I think that was very present. I won't say those thoughts and those feelings are exclusive to Judaism, but I think that's what he managed to take, and that's what he managed to retain and give to us, his kids.